Hey, how's it going, everybody? My name is Bo Murray. I'm the owner of Genius OS. Here in the next 5 to maybe 10 minutes, I'm going to show you, probably even quicker, how easy this is to get Genius OS up and running and literally generating leads, prospecting, the whole nine yards. So, real quick, you're going to connect your Facebook. So, real quick, it's going to pop up. It's going to log into your account. Then you'll see this. You'll hit continue. Great. Now you're going to go to your platform, openai.com. You're going to grab your API key. So I'll go grab my API key. Once you grab your API key, you just paste it. You're going to verify it and hit continue. Now we're going to ask you some questions. This is our AI learning. How do you speak? How do you talk? So, hey, I saw your comment in the group. What do you actually do? So pick which is best for you. Hey, I help with lead generation systems. What made you reach out? Hey, thanks for reaching out. I help people get more leads without cold outreach. What's going on? What's up? I build systems. So I like A. Right? They haven't replied in 2 days. Hey, just checking back in. No rush at all. Circle them back to see if this is still something you're interested in. All good. Just wanted to follow up. Let's go with A. Sounds interesting, but I'm pretty busy right now. No worries at all. What's a better time for you? Then you select what emojis are best for you. So I like using fire, rocket ship. I don't know, not really a rocket ship guy. 100. So, and I do sometimes. Next. What should your AI avoid? I don't want you to be pushy, salesy, corporate, overly high, too serious, or fake friendly. And then you're going to hit review persona. Looks right. So when engaging with new people, what should the system emphasize first? Relationship first. Actually, let's do adaptive intelligence. This is our AI. It's monitoring everything, and it's basically deciding when and what to do. They're usually asking for help, researching options or recommendations. All right. Where do most of your important conversations start? Private messages, cold outreach situations, warm inbound replies to my own comments. How should the AI approach new conversations? Friendly and conversational. How quickly do people usually make a decision? A few days. Majority of them are same day. Helps people trust you. Personal experience, social proof, expertise, knowledge. Boundaries and no-go zones. Yeah. Yeah. And let's put in here, talking about my family. Complete. Boom. There we go. So now here's your dashboard. We just did that in 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes. Pulse. This is where you're going to see all the activity going on. Knowledge. This is where you're going to create your knowledge for your bots. And by the way, up here in the corner, there's buttons that show you how to do everything. So I'm going to name this real quick. We'll just put Ava, my genius leads, sales, ramp, next source. Let's do my website. I'm going to click on Ava, upload assets, text block, Genius OS info. So I'll grab my knowledge information. And majority of y'all already have docs and information for this, for y'all's companies, your products, your services. You can get it from the company, so you just go grab it. So there we are. That's 3 minutes now. So we've already done all this. Now let's go into Ava. Let's create a bot identity. Your name is Ava, sales expert for my business leads. Continue. We're going to connect Ava to the knowledge Ava, which I should have named that. My bad. Should have named that Genius OS. So now here's my bot. And inside the system, you can go into prompts. So this is where you'll see all your prompting. Okay. Now, the commenting is prompted pretty good. DM conversation is very, very good as well. But what I like to do is tweak it and add some things. So like right here, reference exactly why you're in the inbox, a mutual group or shared interest, right? Low friction questions. And then we have the problem diagnostics. Ask short, sharp questions to uncover where are they losing money, time, energy, blah, 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 right? So this is pretty good. Now you can go in here and tweak it and adjust it. to your business. It will start having conversations. It will start generating leads for you. And then we go into stealth and we're going to add some locations. So we're going to select the bot. And what's cool about this system is you can literally target multiple products and services. So you create multiple knowledge bases and then you connect them to your bots. Okay. Oh, whoops. Put that on. So this is Mom Owned Business Mob. Uh, it's just a random group I grabbed. I like to target mothers because, their busy lives. They're trying to make money from home. So this is active now. And that's it. That was 5 minutes and 44 seconds with me talking for like a minute, right? Now the system is up and running and it's going to start prospecting here in the next 3 to 5 minutes. And while this is going on, you can literally be tweaking Ava. Like you can go in your prompts and you can be talking to ChatGPT and Gemini, and you can be telling it more about your products and services and business. Look at this. 6 minutes and 12 seconds. So literally under 5 minutes, my system is already up and running and prospecting. And so if you want to have success with Facebook, this is the world's first fully autonomous AI that will do all your prospecting, pre-qualifying, engagements, booking appointments, closing deals. We're building out the birthday systems, the content boosting. We're building out tons of things. I don't want to share all my tips and tricks and new ideas and concepts because there is some competition out there, but they're not at the level we're at. And so I want to stay ahead of the game. But anyways, click the links in the information and the comments and the bios and everything like that. Join our community. I teach, train, coach every single day, Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. We do lives in the mornings and evenings, and we do trainings in the mornings as well. Anyways, have an amazing day, guys. Bye.